Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'll be talking about all of my makeup essentials that I love to carry whenever I'm traveling. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. So guys, this is my makeup bag in which I keep all of my stuff, and this is from Kylie Jenner. I got it when I purchased the products from Sephora. This bag is huge and it is very spacious, as you can see, so I can keep a lot of my things. I don't have to worry about leaving anything behind. So for the moisturizer, I always love to carry the Embryolisse moisturizer. This is my holy grail product. I have been using this from so many years, and this has also become chapta. As you can see, this is my fifth or maybe the sixth tube, and I love this. It can be used as a primer, so you don't have to carry a primer if you have this one. And then comes the sunscreen, which I never forget, and I think nobody should ever forget to carry and apply a sunscreen. इसको भी I think I've been using this for the past 2 to 3 years. This is a beautiful sunscreen, so ये हमेशा मेरे बैग में रहता है. And next is the compact which I use is this one, NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. Bhai Saab, this is a dupe to Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, I know Charlotte Tilbury is very expensive. I'm not saying don't buy that, but if you're looking for something affordable and something that can last long, this will do it. Let me show you something. If you can see, there is a chota sa hole that is peeking through it, which means I have been using this religiously. This mattifies the skin really well, and it doesn't leave. Okay, so this does not only mattifies the skin, but it will also make your skin look very seamless, very subtle. एकदम वो dry वाला feeling नहीं आएगा. So this is a beautiful product. Please do get it. Okay, so next is the lip balm, and for that I use the Laneige lip balm. This is super hydrating and glossy. I can also use as a topper over my lipsticks if I don't have a gloss. This will always help. It has a very slight pink strawberry sort of a shade, and the fragrance, the flavor is amazing. Okay guys, now for the eyebrows, I have two options which I love. So here are these two options. One is the Benefit Groove Proof Brow Pencil. ये बहुत expensive है, but ये बहुत ही amazing brow pencil है. And the other one, I'm sorry. And the other one is this one. This is from Colourpop. This is around 700 to 800 rupees. But this actually makes the eyebrows look very natural. And if you don't want to go with this one, you can definitely try this one out. ये दोनों मैं back and forth use करती हूँ, so I keep both of them with me. Alright guys, now let's talk about some coverage. I know it's summers and less is more kind of my thing. If you don't want to use a foundation, don't use it, but always and always use a concealer. Okay, this is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, L'Oreal Paris Infallible. This is very important. Now why I'm saying this is because everybody has certain dark spots on their face. Okay, when you do the blush and when you do everything, if you're not covering it, your face will not look flawless. मत use करो foundation, that is fine, but do use it. So I always carry this. I can absolutely skip the foundation, but I cannot skip the concealer. So this is also very affordable, full coverage देता है. Try this out. Okay you guys, so coverage हो गया, skin care हो गया, brows हो गई, सब कुछ हो गया. Now let's talk about bringing some color back on the face. उसके लिए I use these two. These are my favorite products. इनके कलर ही बहुत प्यारे हैं. One is this one. This is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush and the shade is Dusty Rose. This is very natural. I use this every now and then. This is a liquid blush, and to top it off I use the Kylie Jenner blush, and this is in the shade, कहाँ गया shade भाई? Okay, this is Baddie on the Block. This is the shade. Let me show you this. Okay guys, this is the Kylie Jenner wala blush का color that I was talking about. Look at it, bhai, look at it. This is so pretty. इतना pretty shade है, I cannot just get over it. So if you like it, get it for yourself. Expensive थोड़ा है, इतना नहीं है, but this is a good product, I would say. Acha, okay, now a little bit of bronzing is also very important. For that, I always carry this Hoola Glow bronzer from Benefit. This is the mini version, ठीक है? And it is such a natural and a glowy bronzer. ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I can also, use it on my eyes. I don't carry eyeshadow most of the times because टूट जाता है. I have spoiled two of my eyeshadow, so I prefer not to carry that. एंड ऑल्सो इसका बेनिफिट ये दैट दिस कम्स विद दिस ब्रश. लुक एट दिस इज़ वेरी प्रिसाइज, इट्स वेरी क्यूट. इससे आप नोज भी ब्रॉन्जो कॉन्टोर कर सकते हो, चीक्स कर सकते हो. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ वेरी हैंडी. गेट दिस वन. इट विल डिफाइन योर लैशेज एंड मेक देम लुक वेरी वेरी वॉल्यूमिनस. ठीक है, बहुत ही प्यारा मस्कारा. आई थिंक इसका एड केंडल जेनर ने किया था. केंडल जेनर ने करा है, ले लो. दिस इज़ वेरी गुड, वेरी वेरी गुड. वो बहुत प्यारी है, उसी की तरह प्यारा ये भी है. एवरीथिंग इज़ ऑलमोस्ट डन, ओनली द लिप्स आर लेफ्ट. लिपस्टिक मेरी बहुत फेवरेट पार्ट है एंड आई यूज़ दीज 4 शेड्स रिलीजियसली, ट्रेमेंडसली यूज़ करती हूँ. कुछ भी बोलो, जितना जेलसली बोल दो, सब कुछ यूज़ करती हूँ. I'll show them to all of you one by one. Ashima, stop fumbling. The first shade is from Charlotte Tilbury and this is the Pillow Talk medium shade. बहुत ही प्यारा shade है. This is expensive but it's very rich. इसका color, it's not exactly dark brown. It's somewhere between brown and mauve sort of a color. Very pretty shade. Okay, next is a lip gloss and this one is from Dior. This is the Dior Addict lip gloss and the shade number is 026. I am wearing this right now. It's a very very natural shade. बहुत प्यारा color है. It has very fine glitter particles and it also gives you a slightly minty sort of a feel on the lips. So ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. This is a good one. Okay, the third lipstick is from MAC. This is the MAC Maximal and the shade name is Meher. It's a very pretty pink shade. मेरे पास पिंक और ब्राउन के बहुत कलेक्शन है भाई. रेड के भी हैं एंड दिस वन इज़ लाइक सब जगह यूज़ कर लो, चाहे शादी हो, चाहे चर्च जाना हो, चाहे कहीं भी जाना हो, यूज़ दिस. बहुत प्यारा शेड है, बहुत नेचुरल शेड है. पॉकेट पे बिल्कुल भी नेचुरल नहीं है, थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव है बट बहुत प्यारा शेड है. Alright, last but not the least, I have my favorite shade, girls. This is the Maybelline Ultimate Matte and the shade name is what? It is More Taupe. This is a very very pretty shade. Sorry. This is a very pretty shade. बहुत प्यारा shade है. It's very close, like reddish brown sort of a shade. This shade, this looks great. It looks beautiful on every skin tone. मैंने इसे अपनी मॉम पे ट्राई किया है, उनका स्किन अलग है. आई हैव ट्राइड इट ऑन वन ऑफ माई कजन्स. इट लुक्स वेरी वेरी प्रिटी, सो डोंट डाउट, गेट दिस वन. नेक्स्ट, स्किन का बहुत ध्यान रख लिया. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाइड्रेटिंग माई हैंड्स ऑल्सो. तो आई कीप दिस छोटा सा मॉइस्चराइजर. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम कीको बॉडी लोशन. इससे ये मुझे फ्री मिला था. आई गॉट समथिंग एंड द डे आई बीन यूजिंग इट, आई लव द फ्रेग्रेंस, आई लव द फिनिश. इट्स वेरी जेंटल, इट्स वेरी माइल्ड. So you don't have to carry a big bottle of a moisturizer. I always keep this one with me. Alright, almost everything is done. Now, is there something that is really left? Yes, there is. Garmi hai guys, and I know that I cannot just go out like that. ठीक है? So I always want to smell good. My body, my hair, everything should smell good. Especially you need to take care of your underarms. You need to make sure that your underarms smell great, they feel great. ठीक है, तो for that, okay, so for the underarms I use the Nivea Pearl and Beauty Roll-On. This is very affordable, बहुत अच्छा brand है, very good. It keeps the underarms hydrated and it smells amazing. I always use this. This is always there in my bag, so I highly recommend. Girls and boys also, ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा. Alright, now to make my hair and body smell great too, I use Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Cheirosa in shade 62. This has such a pretty fragrance. Girls, you literally smell like a vanilla ice cream after this. इतनी प्यारी स्मेल है इसकी. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट इट, यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ इट फॉर योर अंडरगार्मेंट्स एज वेल. समर्स हैं, बहुत ज़रूरी है. यू नीड टू स्मेल गुड ईच एंड एवरी टाइम. बगल वाले को बेहोश नहीं करना है. सो प्लीज़ गेट दिस वन. This is not that expensive. It's okay on the pocket and it goes for a very very long time. So get this one.